The Emperor Napoleon, he sent his ships of war with spreading sails to conquer Wales and land on Fishguard shore. But Jemima, she was waiting with her broomstick in her hand, and all the other women too, to guard their native land. For the Russians and the Prussians he did not give a damn, but he took on more than he bargained for when he tried it on with Mam. Their cloaks were good red flannel, their hats were black and tall, they looked just like brave soldiers and were braver than them all. The Frenchman took one look at them, and in panic they did flee, cried "Ooh la la," and then "Ta-ta," and jumped into the sea. And said to one another, as back to France they swam, "We'd have stayed at home if we'd only known we'd have had to take on Mam." The Emperor Napoleon, he was a man of note. His hat was sideways on his head, his hand inside his coat. When he heard the news from Fishguard, his sorrow was complete. "Oh, Josephine, what does it mean? My army has been beat. I will make this proclamation. Though a conqueror I am, you may conquer all creation, but you'll never conquer man."